Baiso Restaurant. This is Maurice. How may I help you?
Good morning. I want to reserve a table on February 14, 2024.
Okay, ma'am. May I know who's the line, please?
I am Lizelle Brandes.
Alright, Ma'am Lizelle. May I know for how many persons is your reservation?
A table for 3 person.
Just a moment, ma'am. Let me check first our reservation logbook. Thank you for waiting, ma'am. Yes, we have available table on that day.
Thank you. We will arrive at exactly 5 p.m. together with my daughter and my husband.
Alright, ma'am. Where would you prefer to sit here? A smoking or a non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
Great. Under whose name this reservation for, ma'am?
Still under my name, Lizelle Brandes.
Alright, ma'am. For your family name, it's B for Bravo, E for Echo, R for Romeo, E for Echo, N for November, D for Delta, E for Echo, and Z for Zolo. For your first name, it's L for Lema, I for India, E for Echo, Z for Zolo, and L for Lema. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes, that is right.
Is there any number that where you can be contacted, ma'am?
Sure, it's 0947 8022 408.
Alright, ma'am. It's 0947 802-2408.
Right.
Is there any special request to highlight the occasion, ma'am?
Oh, that is good. I almost forget. I need fresh flowers and a cake in our table.
Certainly, ma'am. May I repeat your reservation?
Sure.
You've made a reservation under your name, Lizelle Brandes, on February 14, 2024 at exactly 5 p.m. A table for 3 with a special request of fresh flowers and a cake. And your contact number is 0947 802 2408. Did I get it right, ma'am?
Yes, exactly.
Thank you for choosing our restaurant, Miss Lizelle Brandes. Rest assured that we'll prepare a good table for you. If you have questions or amendments, don't hesitate to call us.
Right?
Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye.